Morning, one and all. My name is Sachin. I will teach you the social studies. Okay. First of all, I welcome all for your 10th standard. Okay, confident very well. Okay, in social and particularly I'm saying in every lesson the key points are very important. Whenever you catch the key points in your lessons, it is very easy to write the exam of our subject. Okay, first of all, I will explain how many topics are there in our social studies. Almost we have in paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, we have 11 lessons. In paper 2, we have 10 lessons. Okay, paper 1 11 lessons and paper 2 10 lessons. Okay, you have to concentrate more and more in paper 2. Why? Because okay, we have the history. The history comes under the world wars, about the world wars, about Nigeria, about America. Okay, about China comes under this paper 2. Okay. Next, I will say the topics. At present, I will say the topics. I will explain the topics. First lesson we have Indian relief features. Okay, Indian relief features. And next one, okay, we have ideas of development. We have the ideas of development. And the third one we have the production and employment. Production and employment. Okay, and the 4 chapters, climate of India, and the 5th chapter, Indian rivers and water resources. Okay, the first chapter, Indian relief features, ideas of development, production and employment, climate of India, Indian rivers and water resources. The sixth lesson, population. And 7th lesson, settlements. Migrations. And 8th, Rampur, a village economy. Rampur, a village. And the 9th lesson, globalization. Next, come to 10th lesson, food security. And the last lesson, okay, sustainable. Sustainable development with equity. These are all comes under the paper 1. You have 11 lessons, very easy lessons. If you consider key points, it is very easy topics. These all 11 are the very easy topics in paper. you can score maximum marks. The paper 1. First topic. Coming to the first lesson. What is the first lesson? Indian relief features. Okay, Indian relief features. Okay, first of all, what is mean by relief? What do you mean by relief? See, relief means elevation in earth surface. Relief means elevation in earth surface. You see, in the earth, for example, we have mountains, yes or no? We have the plains, we have the plateaus, we have the deserts, okay, and we have the coastal regions, and we have the next we have the rivers, etc. All comes under the relief. We have it is not only same in everywhere. Every state, every place have different relief features. For example, Telangana. Telangana, we have the Deccan Plateau. Okay, Telangana is in the Deccan Plateau. Okay, you have to know. For example, next in Rajasthan, in Rajasthan, northwest, we have the Thar Desert. We have the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, northwest. There is a relief features. Similarly, in Jharkhand, we have the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, these are all relief features of their own place. Okay, we have the rivers also. We have the peninsular rivers, perennial rivers, and we have the west flowing rivers also. Okay, next topic I will explain about the rivers. Okay, by knowing this lesson, you can achieve about the location. First of all, you can achieve the location of our country, India, and Telangana. Okay, how we can find the location? First of all, you have to know about the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. And next, you can achieve the knowledge of different what is mean by plain region. Is there in our India or not there? About the plains, about the different types of plateaus, about the deserts, okay, about the geological background, about the geological background, and you can learn about the can achieve the knowledge of the islands. Okay, these are all we can learn in this lesson. First topic. Location of India and Telangana. Before knowing the locations of India and Telangana, you have to know about the latitudes and longitudes. Already you learned about the latitudes and longitudes in the 9th class first chapter, our Earth. Okay, latitudes are called horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Longitudes are called vertical lines. Okay, how many latitudes are there? We have 181 latitudes, including the equator. Again, we have 360 longitudes. What is the use of latitudes and longitudes? By knowing the latitudes and longitudes, okay, you can find out the particular place of a region. You can find out the climatic zones by knowing the latitudes. Okay, by knowing okay, by knowing the latitudes, you can find out the particular region. Okay, by knowing the latitudes and longitudes also, okay, we can find the particular region. By knowing the latitudes and longitudes, we can find out the particular region, and we can find out the climatic zones. Climatic zones of different places. Okay, by knowing the latitudes and somewhat longitudes, we can find out the particular region, and we can find out the climatic zones of different places. Okay, similarly, by knowing the longitudes, you can find out very important time travel between the countries. Time travel between the countries. We can say the time by using the longitudes. Very important. It tells about the time travel between the countries. Okay? Time travels between the countries. First of all, we can discuss about the location of our country. Just now only I told about the latitudes and longitudes. Okay, I told latitudes are the horizontal lines. See this map, all of you. Okay, these are all the horizontal lines. Our India location is, for example, see here 8 degree 4 minutes to, okay, 37 degree 6 minutes. This is a symbol of minutes. This is a degree. 8 degree 4 minutes. This is ending point. Okay, 8 degree 4 minutes to this ending point in the north. 37 degree 6 minutes. This is north. We are going to the north. North latitude. Okay, 8 degree 4 minutes to the 37 degree 6 minutes. North latitudes. These are all our location of our India. Similarly, we can find out the longitude also. This is ending point. I told vertical lines are called the longitudes. We can see from Gujarat, from the Arunachal Pradesh also you can see. See, from here to here. We can go from here to here. From west to east. Okay. 68 degrees 7 minutes to, okay, 97 degree 25 minutes. Where side, which side we are going? We are going to the east side. East longitude. Okay, this is very important for 1 mark. Also they were asking the bits also. Okay, India lies on the 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. These are all latitudes. Similarly, India lies 60 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, 68 to 97 difference is 29 degrees. Yes or no? 68, 17, 18, 98 difference is 29 degrees. Similar here also we have difference is 29 degrees. 8 degree, 18 degree 10, 28 degree 20, 38 degree 30, 29 degrees. Here we have difference 29 degrees. Here also we have difference 29 degrees. This is a code. You have to keep this. Okay. This is the location of our country. I am saying once again, 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. These are minutes. You have to write this one also. Some members will forget about the sign of the minutes. Okay, the symbol of the minutes. Location of our state. Okay, location of our state. Telangana. Okay, how many districts we have? We have 33 districts. Okay. Similarly, same. Telangana lies 15 degrees 55 minutes to 19 degrees 56 minutes north latitude and 77 degree 15 minutes to 80 degree 46 minutes east longitudes. Okay, Telangana lies on the 15 degrees 55 minutes to 19 degrees 56 minutes north latitude, 77 degree 15 minutes to 80 degree 46 minutes east longitude. Okay, it's very important. India is very important. Okay, if they will ask me, see, Telangana, just one time they will ask the question. But India, location of India is very important for your exams. Next, I will say about the distance from India north to south and from west to east. Okay, from distance from north to the south we have 3214 kilometers. 3214 kilometers. From west to east we have 2933 kilometers. You can see the picture in your textbook also about the latitudes, longitudes and about the distance between the north and south, distance between the east and west also. Okay, I told you about the longitudes just now only. Based on longitudes only, based on longitudes only, we can calculate the time. We can calculate the time. Okay. For example, the sun will take. Okay, the sun will take to travel 1 degree is 4 minutes. I told just now only. This is a sign of the minutes. Okay, 1 degree, 4 minutes. You know longitudes. You know longitudes. Okay, the eastern longitudes, western. This is the eastern hemisphere, the western hemisphere. Okay. Okay, I told you. In eastern hemisphere, total how many longitudes are there? 360. 180 on east side, 180 on west side. 180 on east, 180 on west. See, the sun take to travel 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. For example, 15 degrees will take 1 hour. Okay, the central longitudes, okay, the 0 degree longitudes passes from the London. Okay, very very important. 0 degree longitude passes from the London. You know what is the capital city of England? London. England is also called Great Britain. England is also called United Kingdom. Who is the Prime Minister of England? Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of England. Okay, you have to know. Okay, 0 degree longitudes is passing from the London. This is 0 degree longitudes which are passing from the London. Okay, next longitude is also called Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, by these longitudes we understood that in each longitude we have the different time. Okay, I told just now only India is located on 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes in eastern longitudes. See how much different, 29 degrees are different. But every degree the time is changing. Our India how? Okay, our India should be a different time zones. But our India have only single time zones. Why our India have only one time zones? Because to avoid the confusion of different timings in our country. If there is a different timings in our country, okay, there is no unity. If there is any disaster happens, they have to say their timings. We have to be listen in our timings. This totally will be confused. That is why to avoid this confusion, our India created their own timings. That timing is called Indian Standard Time. What is What is Indian Standard Time? Our central government taken as 82 degrees 30 minutes Eastern longitudes. 82 degrees 30 minutes Eastern longitude is called our Indian Standard Time, IST. Okay, Indian Standard Time. Okay, I think you are understood very well. India, next. India lies on the eastern hemisphere, you know already. The difference, the difference between Greenwich Meridian Time and to Indian Standard Time is very important. 5.5 hour ahead means after. Ahead also no problem. After. For example, okay, very important. What is the time difference between Greenwich Meridian Time to Indian Standard Time? Is 5.5 hours. For example, in London there is a time of okay 2 a.m. Then what is the time in our India? Okay, 5 hours after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7:30 a.m. The time is in our India is 7:30 a.m. You have to come forward, not the backward. Okay, this is about the topic. Our Indian Standard Time is 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitudes. Okay, from where it was passing? It was passing from the Allahabad. Very important. It was passing from the Allahabad. Where is Allahabad? Near UP state. They will ask the question, from which place our central longitude, also known as Indian Standard Time, was passing. Indian Standard Time was passing near the Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh state. What is the time difference between Greenwich Meridian Time to the Indian Standard Time? Is 5.5 hours ahead, means after. Okay, forward. Okay, these are the keywords I have told today. First of all, I told about the location of our India and Telangana also. Okay, what for 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. Similar Telangana, 15 degrees 55 minutes to 19 degrees 56 minutes north latitude, and next from 77 degrees 15 minutes to 80 degrees 46 minutes east longitude. Next, I told you about the distance of our country. From north to south, we have 3,214 kilometers. From east to west, we have 2,933 kilometers. At last, I told how the time will travels. I explained about the latitudes, longitudes. What is the use of the latitudes? To know the climatic zones and to show the specific particular place. What is the use of longitudes? I told. By using the longitudes only, you can calculate the time between the countries. I told already, 0 degree longitude is also known as Greenwich Meridian. I told. Okay, that is called Greenwich Mean Time, 0 degree longitude. Our Indian Standard Time is what is our Indian Standard Time? 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. From where it was passing? It was passing from Allahabad in UP. These are about the keywords I have told. Thank you for watching. Hope all you understood very well.